Hi everyone, this is Lindy Bowler with the RE/MAX House of Real Estate and the Dione Irwin team, your home sold guaranteed or we will buy it. And today I am standing outside of 887 Windhaven Close in the community of Windsong in Airdrie. And I would love to give you a tour of one of our latest listings, being this one. It's a fabulous 4-level split with a double attached garage. And now I'm going to flip you around so I can show you how nice the exterior looks here. Lots of beautiful flowers. And there's a balcony up above the garage. Nice big driveway as well. I'm going to show you something really sweet, which is that there is a little bunny. Hopefully you can see them hanging out in the rose bush there. Super cute. So we do home sales in Calgary and Airdrie, and I have to say it's amazing what you can get in Airdrie for under $500,000. So I'm going to take you inside. And show you around. So this door here is the access from the double garage. And the stairs down, this is a tiled entryway, lead to the basement. There's also another closet down there, which is nice to have. In addition, we have a little seated area. Nice to put your shoes on and off when you first walk in. And the front closet. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the basement for a second. Now the basement, the whole home has 9-foot ceilings, but the basement does as well. And the basement also has a huge window. It has vacuum flow down there. There's also a water softener. It's unfinished, but waiting for someone to come in and develop it. Let's take a look at the rest of the home and the finished levels. So the main level, we have hardwood, and here to my left, we have the 2-piece powder room, nicely tucked away from the kitchen and eating area, because I know sometimes people don't like it when it's right off the kitchen, so that's really nice. Got neutral paint colors, wrought iron for all of the railings. Convenient main floor laundry room here with lots of cupboard space. It's nice and open on the main level. I'll show you the kitchen. There's a pantry, that door with the glass in it to the left, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. You can see that the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. There's tons of storage, and there's even lighting within those cabinets. It's really nice and bright in this house, and there are custom cellular blinds that have the up-down option. Got a tile floor in the kitchen, and then garden doors out to the backyard, which I will come back to a little bit later. This home is just over 2,200 square feet. Here we have the living area. Which is always great for entertaining when you've got the open concept main floor. And then we're gonna head on up to the next level. So one of the first things you'll see is the gas fireplace with the feature stone wall going all the way up to the ceiling. So this is another sort of living room, family room, sitting area, could be a playroom. And from the outside, you could see that balcony. So this is where you access it. And if we go up again to the next level, I will show you where all the bedrooms are. This is a 3-bedroom home. Now this 1 bedroom at the front is great because it has a massive vaulted ceiling, and these 2 bedrooms up here that aren't the master both have big closets with built-in closet organizers. And this is also something unique here. This little storage desk area is being used for all of the linens. I'm certainly not this organized in my home, but all of the towels are up top, and in the bottom, all of the sheets and bedding. There's a 4-piece bathroom with a tub shower combo. It's tiled all the way to the ceiling, and it's got a nice big bathtub that I could see myself having a bubble bath in, maybe reading a murder mystery book. This home is so open with all of the huge ceilings. We've got the other bedroom up here. Nice big windows, lots of space. On this level, we also have a built-in office. And if you had kids, it could be used for homework, could be a crafting area. Now I'm going to take you into the master retreat. This is a fantastic room. It's massive. You could easily fit a king bed in here with end tables. You could fit in dressers and other furniture. Not that you need to, because it also has a walk-in closet here that's nice and big. I am feeling jealous, wishing I had this much closet space. So there was a fireplace, but here is another one in another gas fireplace in the master bedroom, and it's a 2-way, so you can enjoy it from the main part of the room or also while you're in the bathroom soaking in the tub. This is a huge ensuite. We've got dual sinks, storage, the nice big soaker tub. That other tub was big, but this one is massive. You could enjoy a glass of wine in there after a long day. And then we have a shower as well that is huge. I don't have the light on so that it doesn't glare off my phone, but it's fully tiled in. It's got 2 shower heads, glass door, so thanks for those of you who are watching and commenting on the video today. I am going to take you now back down, and we're going to go and we are going to see the backyard, because that's another important part, especially now that we're getting some summer weather. I know I'm enjoying this weather and spending more time outside. We don't get that many super sunny hot days in the Calgary, Airdrie area. So I'm going out those big garden doors, and I'm gonna flip you around again. So it's a 2-tiered deck. So you have a smaller part of the deck as you walk out of the house, you got your barbecuing area, and then There's also a lower level to the deck. And there's really nice trees. It's so quiet here and peaceful. Lots of room for your patio furniture. And then there's still plenty of room in this yard for anything else you might need. If you have a trampoline, if you want a sandbox, if you want to expand a garden. There's a wrought iron gate over there. So I just want to thank you all for tuning in today. If you are interested in this home, or if you know anyone that is, then you can contact us at the Dione Irwin team, or contact myself at 403-850-6641, or head to our website, which I will post in the comments. And I hope you all have an enjoyable week. Bye, everybody.